Hey everybody, Chris here from It's Mead Made, and today is just an amazing day because today I hit 20,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel, and I'm just blown away because I can't believe I've hit this. I mean, it's all because of you guys. And I have just been trying to make videos to help you get better 3D prints, help you with those slicers, and help you with your painting. Because I know when I got started out, there wasn't a lot of resources out there, or everybody wasn't sharing all of the details. And that's obviously, if you've been watching me for a while, I probably share too many details, but I don't hold back. I don't want you to wonder, well, how did you get this? That's the whole point of what I do, is I want to show you every step of the way, and doing that, I feel like I've helped so many people, and I am so grateful for every one of you. So that being said, I wanted to do a giveaway, and I'm like, okay, maybe I could do a raffle and give something to a few special people, but I was like, a few special people isn't what got me here, it's every single one of you. So I wanted to give something to each and every one of you. So I went ahead and I hired a very talented artist, Geraldo, and he actually helped me get a special commission to where it is a Mead-made exclusive 3D print. And here it is. I've always wanted to see a 3D model of young Splinter with toddler turtles crawling all over him, and Anderson did this for me, and we went back and forth, and it took us quite a while, but we finally got it. And I mean, this is such an awesome print, and I haven't even fully painted it yet because I wanted to get it out to you guys. So this is my special gift to you. I wanted you to be able to have something, and honestly, I've never heard anybody complain about Ninja Turtles, so here is an amazing model of Ninja Turtles. Now, the cool thing about this is the base plate, I actually printed in FDM, and the rest is all in resin. So I have already created these files for you that are already supported and unsupported. So no matter what you're wanting to 3D print this stuff in, you can go ahead and do that. So to get this model, all you have to do is go in the description below and click the link, and it'll jump you over to my website where you can just click it and download the files. And that's just my gift to you, my thank you to you, because of hitting 20,000 subscribers. I'm still just blown away. The only thing I am going to ask you, you gotta tag me if you actually print it and paint it, because I would love to see these things. And I also just wanted to say thank you so much for all of the people that have supported me on Patreon. I mean, we have such a great community over there, and all of your guys' support has just helped me so much in creating the videos for the community. Other than that, I wish you guys a great day, just like the great day that you've given me. And we'll see you later.